Look at this. Bomb. Y'all see these curls? So pretty, and the hair is soft, natural hair texture is bomb. I love this hair. I think it's so bomb. Who have kinky curly hair like myself, like this, you want this wig. It's not shedding, which is a plus. The hair is not shedding. Like y'all see, I'm pulling at this hair, nothing. It's not shedding. The hair is thick, it's full, it's soft. If you want it to be a little bit more defined, then you can put like product on it and you won't have as much frizz. The same way like you would with your own natural hair when you're doing like a wash and go or something like that. See what I'm saying? You see how like the hair looked from putting that little bit of curling cream on there? This is definitely like perfect wig for natural girls. This one might be a better, look at this. Bomb. Y'all see these curls? This is an absolute yes for me. The texture is beautiful. I ain't even gonna lie. When I first got it out the package, I was just kind of like, what? Why it look like that, right? Like it didn't do it any justice until I started actually like manipulating the hair by like conditioning it, washing it and conditioning, and now putting product and stuff on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Luvmehair, thank you guys so much for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it.